What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having little phlegm in my throat. Hope you guys are having a beautiful, beautiful day. Guys, my videos have been a little off, and I have to admit something to you. I've been lying to you guys. I've been holding back something important in the shop here, along with a few other things that I need to tell you right now. And, well, I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to show it to you. But I need you guys to forgive me. It's been busy. You know what I'm saying? So here you go. Pro-charged C7 Corvette. Obviously, you guys have seen this in here. I've been secretly working on it. And don't have a lot left to do on it, honestly. But it is just your basic bolt-on Pro Charger here. I'll turn this around. Pro Charger P1SC. Very simple setup. I will say Pro Charger does a hell of a job making this kit for the C7s. It goes together really nicely. It is very tight, just so you know. There's a lot of like finagling you have to do to get everything to fit properly and fit where it's supposed to fit. But other than that, it's a very, very good kit. And it does fit very, very well. I'll just show you around the engine bay here a little bit. You guys can see the Pro Charger. You can see the bracket. This is utilizing the race valve down there. They are kind of a bitch to put in, to be honest. We'll go underneath here real quick and show it to you. Maybe you guys can see that. Maybe you can't, I don't know. But the race valve is a bitch to get in. Drain line tied up. I've done these Pro Charger builds before. They've worked out very, very well. They made really, really good horsepower. I'll tag one of the videos up here for you. You can go ahead and follow one of my older builds. But yeah, just your basic setup, intercooled and all that fun doodad. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys what I've been dealing with and dicking around with. This should be going to the dyno here very, 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 very shortly. Got a few more little odd and end things to button up on this. But other than that, just put fluid in the supercharger. So the supercharger has its perfect little fluid in there. We're going to go ahead and get the bumper on real quick. And then we're going to let her down the ground and we're going to start her up. This car is also going to be getting long tube headers, which we'll get it over on the lift over there and get that done probably in the next day or two. And then that's pretty much it. Some other stuff needs to be done to it, and that's it. But let's get this bumper on, and then we'll let her down the ground, and we'll do a nice little startup video without the hood on. That way you guys can hear how awesome this Pro Charger really sounds. All right, front bumper is completely on. And well, there's a lot of bolts down there, guys. There's a lot of bolts on the bottom of this bumper that there's like 20 million of them. I don't know why GM decided they need to have 20 million. I'm gonna turn my speaker, my JBL. It's like jamming out the music here at the shop and everything. So it is on the ground. Everything's buttoned up. And we are going to do first start. You're probably wondering why this is not plugged in. It's because of the boost gauge that I need to install, which is not a big deal. I'll be doing that later and doing the headers later. But other than that, the supercharger is filled. Everything's good to go. Everything's back normal the way it's supposed to be. And we're going to hop in. We're going to start this thing up. It should be pretty wild, guys. Let's go to it. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Hope you guys are excited as I am. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so, oh, that's my back seat right there. Okay. Okay. Ladies and germs. Okay. Alrighty. Let's, hopefully I did everything correctly. Hopefully. I know, right? Fucking scary that I might not have done something correctly. Let's make sure my e-brake's on. I think it's on. We're gonna find out here in a minute, ladies and germs. Yeah, park brake's on. All right, cool. Let's put the seat forward again. That way I can see what the hell I'm doing. Put the window down. There you go, window go down. All right, ladies and germs, here we go. Woo! Got all kinds of noises. Oh my God, oh my God. What do I do? What do I do? How do I turn this thing off? Turn off. No, menu. Volume, oh my God. Oh, here we go, off. Woo, doggy. We do have a check engine light on, go figure. Nothing to surprise there. There we go. Beep, beep. Now this is on a stock tune. We haven't messed with the tune at all yet. I just want to start it up, make sure it runs good, make sure it's doing everything it's supposed to be doing, and it is. Oh yeah. I might turn these and point them down. I don't know yet. Maybe I'll figure that out later. But she is running, ladies and germs. 1% running. I'm pretty happy about that. I hope you guys are too. Woo! Woo, doggy! There you go. There we go. Look at that. That is awesome. All right, so we're gonna let her get up to operating temperature. I wanna make sure everything's good, everything's running the way it's supposed to be running, and we'll go from there. But yeah, we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, we are back, ready to attack. So the car's warmed up. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna give her some quick revs, just so you guys can hear what this beautiful Pro Charger sounds like. I know you guys are very interested. I know you guys want to know what this thing sounds like. So let's I don't know, let's put the camera somewhere where it's gonna be like amazingly to hear it, you know, go off and stuff. Here we go. We'll get the here we go. Here we go, guys. I got this. I'm a professional YouTuber, you know. I got this. I got this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to say, that's pretty damn loud with that race valve. The ProCharger race valve is no joke. Like, that thing blows off like a subbitch. Woo! I hope you guys enjoyed that little sound clip. I know I did. It's gonna sound even better with the long tube headers on it. Wait till that video comes. And then we'll be going to the dyno. Woo, let's shut her off. Yeah, put the window up first. I gotta reset the windows because the battery is disconnected. That's how you reset the windows. There we go. And off. Off she goes. Alrighty. Whew, doggy. There we go. Windows are reset. Lock her up. Alright. There you go, guys. Whew. Almost done. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Diablo Formula Racing Instagram. Deuces, guys.